The line between biology and machine is fading. This is Tesla Optimus Gen 3.
We are inside the central nervous system. Data travels here at light speed, connecting the AI brain to every limb.
6 degrees of freedom in the neck alone. Precision torque sensors allow Optimus to move with the grace of a human.
The human hand is a miracle of evolution. Tesla engineers have replicated it using high torque density actuators and liquid metal sensors.
Gentle enough to handle an egg, strong enough to lift a 20-kilogram weight. This is the duality of modern robotics. The battery is the structural core. By placing it in the torso, we lower the center of gravity for perfect balance. Optimus doesn't just see, it understands. It builds a three-dimensional world in real time, just like a human pilot. Balance is a constant calculation. Thousands of adjustments per second prevent the 125-pound machine from falling.
Intelligence generates heat. The Tesla AI chip requires an active thermal management system to sustain peak performance.
The shoulder, the most complex joint in the body, re-engineered for industrial endurance. Every step is a symphony of mathematics. Human gait, perfected by neural networks.
End-to-end neural networks. Optimus learns by watching East Asian female humans, mapping our movements directly onto its silicon soul.
Wireless charging. When its task is done, Optimus returns to its dock, a self-sustaining workforce. The future of labor isn't a machine, it's a partner.
Agility redefined. The humanoid revolution is no longer coming. IM's here. Status, mission ready.
One robot is a tool. 1,000 is a new era of civilization. Born from the DNA of Tesla. Built for the future of Earth. Subscribe to the revolution. Next episode, solid-state battery. Learn the 1,000-mile energy cell.
What should Optimus learn next? Let us know in the comments.